regional minister no ana ma po Yandoh ho akere no so nanka po Yandoh ko be ko nanim pa so regional minister e dey hu be gin hu odi gin hu gin mu no mo tag no say
na say ai Dr. Frank Amoakohene oye campaign so makoka
ana hu say woni koka nya ati say de woni po Yandoh so e kire no as wodi koka be tare ho e ma ko fa sa issue ni bai nti no ade na nkasa no tag we say say the now regional minister no say your relationship
no awanya de fan kwese obi unya 105 say
oh masa politics asem ne ka no
am kaso anya de
it might not be the fact say
enya Amoakohene ne man Lucy
oh na mama na de wuna wo ka wa mama nka me de chichira ba say wo ka jem say me na me say me hu sa
no de amfo na chere nto aso
ofa wo de mama nka me de
kan de
me say de koto no be ma adwe no but or issues but we say drew stage now we say stage now no target no and no matter how say be am no for be fine be do point be no be you say no matter target it might not be true but the point of few minutes and days you dey koto aba no o mo target wa we say timi fa enu be na tone no na make say be one of the reason because unu obi kwa kan say na say nipa kro no using the platform raise fans emawa at least a friendly and for but movement you say what turning engage a lot but this period you know the opponent epic and on the target and even though it might not have contributed a lot to Krana it played a role a war ni loss in him
I get you
e bi so ananko timbi betimi anya yi kakra because target ne dey do last minute no one here e fa hu tibe kire and that was what worked against Yandoh.